Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today, well, you're supposed to have this really cool gadget video, and a few things have happened, and I'll get into it. So first off, I got a letter last Friday from the city that says, I can't use that. We're under a boil order, so they're replacing some water lines on a couple streets over, and so I can't use my water. And then I thought, hey, we did this Easter thing. Maybe I'll record the Easter dinner, and that'll be great because we did Easter early and I didn't film it. And then I said, hey, let's do like something to do with the pantry. Well, I forgot to film going to Costco. There's where we bought. It was pretty lame. So then I was like, okay, so what am I going to do for dinner? We do have leftovers, but it's kind of getting old. So maybe I can do an Instapot recipe? But on a more important note, the essentials have been restocked. So, you know when you come back from a business trip and you're supposed to unpack right away, and that way it doesn't sit in your room for more than a couple days? Guess what? It's still there. So all this to say, I'm not prepared for a video today. And with it being tax season, and one of my other jobs is preparing other people's taxes, and I'm on a boil order, and I have my regular work to do, and I still haven't completely unpacked from the trip that I just took, and I'm not going to add anything else to the plate, and I'm not going to wish anything else on my plate. So to say that, you'll get an Instapot recipe. I still don't even know what it's going to be yet. The lighting's crap, and I'm not prepared. So the next question is, what am I even going to make? Thoughts, anybody? So I was like, yeah, okay, let me go look in the refrigerator. And I just got back from out of town, and yeah. We got celery and cheese. And some eggs. Okay. So I find that today, my enthusiasm is there, but my creativity sucks. Today is one of those days that Yoda and I would be in a fist fight. So when all else fails, what do? You turn to your pantry and you find the fast food that you preserved moons ago, and you make that. Hello, white chicken chili. So here we go. Instapot. White chicken chili, canned November 2022. Some bottled water, butter, and rice. Measuring device. One of these. So 2 of these. To 1 of these. $12 minutes. And we go. And while we wait on the Instant Pot, I have to say, I apologize for today, but I sound like a country and western song. Like, I haven't cried in a beer yet, but had to take the dog to the vet too. So we'll just add that to the list. On a more positive note, dinner's in the Instant Pot cooking and ready to roll, while I can sit on the couch for 5 minutes and catch my breath and turn on some YouTube and see what everybody else is doing. The Instapot is finished, and now we are going to let the Instapot come off of pressure all on its own. And we are there. Rice. Looks absolutely Perfect. Best fast food on the planet. Going in. Give her a little mix. Put the lid on. And then that residual heat will warm up that chili. This smells amazing. Quick taste test, y'all. You ready? Okay, I'm happy now. Everything else is just everything else. Thank you, past self, for canning white chicken chili and taking the time to do it and stick it on the pantry shelf for days like today. Thank you, past self. Future self is very happy. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry my creativity was kind of poop today, but I'm sure I'm enthusiastic about all this. And now my nose is itching, and y'all gonna have to cut that out. Whew. This tastes awesome. I'm gonna go sit down, maybe have an essential, and sit on the couch for just a little bit before I have to go back to work. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment below. And until we see you on the next video, bye, y'all. Okay, allergies, enough already. I've had enough on my plate today. Now you got me itching my nose right in the middle of the video. Cut it out, okay? That's enough. That's enough. Is it time to go to sleep yet? Can we be done today? Can we be done today? No, we can't be done today. I'm going in for an essential.